going to study the chapter number 5, Coal and Petroleum of class 8. So let us begin. Before studying the classification of natural resources, first of all, we should know what do we mean by natural resources. So, natural resources means the resources which are being derived from the nature. And natural resources are being classified into two types, that is inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Now let us know that what do you mean by exhaustible natural resource. Exhaustible natural resource, first point is that it is being derived from the nature as it is a natural resource, and exhaustible means it is very much less in amount, it is limited in amount, and it is going to be exhaust in the near future. So this is a simple definition of exhaustible natural resources in simple terms. Now let us know what do you mean by inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources is opposite to the exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are the resources that will never get finished, and they are unlimited in amount. If we talk about examples, we can take solar energy, which is being derived from the sunlight. So solar energy is the inexhaustible natural resource which will never finish. If we talk about more energies, for the example of inexhaustible natural resources, so it can be wind energy, ocean energy, tidal energy, nuclear energy, and etc. So let us move to our next slide. So what do you mean by fossil fuels? So generally, fossil fuels are the fuels which are derived from the dead remains of living organisms. That means fossils, and these are known as fossil fuels. For the making of fossil fuels, it takes a lot of millions of years. And when we burn it, so they burn with a carbon dioxide. Means when we burn it, they produces carbon dioxide. So let us move to our next slide. Now, examples of fossil fuels. Generally, the fossil fuels are of three types. First is coal, second is natural gas, third is gasoline, that is petroleum. So let us discuss about coal. So coal is generally hard as stone, it is black in color. Coal is used to cook food, and it is even used in railway engines to produce steam. And it is even used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Now, do you know there is a story of coal even? Isn't it interesting? Let us study about story of coal. So about 300 million years ago, when the earth was had dense forests in low-lying wet areas, so during that, due to natural processes, that is flooding, droughts, which comes right now even, so due to this, the forest got buried under the soil, and as more and more soil deposited on that forest, so they were compressed, and due to the rise in the temperature and due to the high pressure and high temperature, these dead plants got converted to coal, and that is how the coal formed. And this conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. So when we burn coal, it produces CO2, that is carbon dioxide, which we have earlier also learned. Now let us come to petroleum. So now coal is being divided into three parts, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Now what is the solid form of coal? Let us discuss about it. It is coke. Now coke is used to make iron and other metals, and one of the main metal is steel, which is made by coke. Now if we talk about liquid, so liquid form of coal is coal tar. Now it is used to make different things such as dyes, drugs, perfumes, and even naphthalene bolts, which is very much used in our homes. Now gaseous form of coal is coal gas. and it is used as fuel in industries. Now, you might be having a question that how can we get these three forms of coal? We can easily get these three forms of coal by the process of distillation. Is it clear now? Let us move to our next slide. Now, this is a picture of drums having petroleum. Now, petroleum was formed from the organisms living in sea. Not only petroleum, but also natural gas was formed by the same process as the petroleum. Now, as these organisms present in the sea died, so their body settled on the bottom of the sea and got covered with different layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, then with the absence, as there was no air and the high temperature was there and high pressure was there, then these dead organisms got transformed into petroleum and natural gas. Now let us know what is the meaning of petroleum refining. So the process of separating the various constituents fractions of petroleum is known as refining, and it is carried out in petroleum refinery. Now let us discuss what is natural gas. So natural gas is even a kind of fossil fuel. Now it is very important because this is only the fossil fuel which can be easily carried through pipes. Now, one of the main example of natural gas is CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Generally, natural gas requires high pressure to store, and there are few advantages of CNG. So let us discuss about the advantages of CNG. CNG is generally less polluting, it is a cleaner fuel, and it can be directly used for burning in homes and factories, and it can be easily supplied through pipes, which is the main advantages of all the kinds of natural gas. Now if we talk about natural resources, so there are few steps given by the PCRE, that is Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that advises people how to save petrol, diesel while driving. So let us discuss about it. So first one is that we should drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as it is possible for us. Now, whenever we see traffic lights and jam, so we should switch off the engine of the car, and we should ensure the correct tire pressure, and even we should ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. Now you will be getting a question that can coal, petroleum and natural gas be prepared in the laboratories from dead organisms? No, they cannot be prepared because it's not a slow process, and the conditions for their formation cannot be created in the laboratories. That is why they cannot be prepared in the laboratories from dead organisms. Thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video.